So hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. So in this video I'm going to show you that how can you install DeepSeek into your computer, not in any server, just locally in your computer, full DeepSeek in your PC. So my English skill is little bit weak, adjust to that, and I'm not going to make video long. So we are directly going into the process that how we can install DeepSeek in my PC. So before that I want to acknowledge that I installed DeepSeek into my PC before, and I tried to clean all of that. I can show you that from ground. So at first we need to enable virtualization on our Windows. So for that we have to search here run Windows. So we will see like a option called turn Windows feature on or off. Click on here and find virtual machine platform. So you have to click this, you have to tick mark this one, and you have to click OK. So guys, it's took almost 4 minutes to run on this. So now it's asking for me restart, and sometime it fail. If fail, you will try again. Second time it will be turned on. So now I'm going to restart my PC. So see you in my next part video. So guys, my PC is restarted and now we can move, but before that we will recheck that turned on or not. So here you can see it's turn it on or enable. So let's go back. So we done this part. Now we need to software. One is Ollama and second is Docker for Windows. So here is this one. Click on download, and my one is Windows, so click on download for Windows. So it's going to start download. Okay, I already download this one to make the video short, and we need to download this file also and select this one, Docker desktop for Windows. So I also download this one before making the video. Okay, so let's install those two files. First we are going to install Ollama. Click install. So guys, you can see that my Ollama is installed, and if you check on control panel, here you can see that Ollama is installed. Now we will install Docker in our desktop. So here is Docker. Click yes and click OK. It will take some to install Docker in your desktop. So guys, you can see that Docker is installed, and from here you can see that should I use Hyper-V or WSL. You have to install WSL to use Docker in your computer, and you can see the requirement of WSL to Hyper-V. So it's not important, just minimize, and you can see that we completed this three part. So we're going to open Docker, and it will automatically ask to install WSL. So you can manually install if it's showing error. Let's see what is show us. So I'm going to open, and you can see that it's asking for to automatically install WSL. So you don't have to command that one. Click on finish, and it will, and from this step you have to click on any. It's saying that play press any key to install WSL. Press any key space or any key, it will install Windows Subsystem for your Linux. Click S, and it will downloading WSL, and Docker is showing failed. You have to wait to complete this process, otherwise it will continuously show this error. So we are going to wait for to complete this process. Now let's quit. Okay, wait to complete installing WSL. So you can see that WSL is downloaded and it's successfully installed in our computer. So now we wouldn't see any WSL error in our Docker. So press any key to exit, and you can see that here I also mentioned that command. If somehow you miss that command tab, then you can manually done this one install WSL by search here command prompt, and if you command this one it will install WSL. So I hope you will not miss that one. So you can now we done all those. So let's reopen Docker, and let's we see that we see any WSL error or not. So there is no error. So it's asking for a account to access. So I'm going to giving my email. I hope you can also skip this one from here. So it's automatically login. So I'm going to skip this survey. So after that you will see an interface like this, and here you can see all is empty. If you wanted to remove your ChatGPT or DeepSeek, you can remove image from here, volume from here. So that's all. Now we need to move. So we done this 4 part. Now we need to install this WEBui. So it is basically, let's open it into new tab. This one is this one. So from this page you have to click on get start, quick start, and from here select Docker. So Docker is automatically selected because we are using it in our Docker. So we have to select Docker, and now you have to copy this command, and you have to go into your desktop and search cmd. So command prompt is here. So you have to paste the text we copy or this one. So we need to done the two process. First we need to done this one. This is mean that it will download some file from github container register. So that's why we have to copy this one and paste into your command prompt and click enter. So it will take some time because there are several file that is almost long size. So you can see that it is almost 1 GB. You have to wait to complete this one. So it's almost downloaded. All file are downloaded. You can see it took almost 20 minutes for me. So you can see that it's completed. So all our file downloaded into our PC and it's pull. So let's back again into your browser and we pull web image. So this one is done. So now we are going to run this second method. We have to run this one if we not user of NVIDIA GPU. If you have a NVIDIA GPU, then you can select this one, otherwise you can select this code. So normally just copy this one and confirm that this one is Docker. So we done this one, step 1 is done. We are now going to move into step 2. Just copy, go into your command and paste here. So and enter. So it's done. Let's check out Docker. So you can see that here is our Open-WEBui is created when we done this process. Click on here, pull or just you can see that it's internal error showing. I don't know why it is error showing. So we complete this five process almost. So now we will check our web UI, how Open Web UI is worked, and we need to some setup on it. So for that we saw some error, that's why we restarted our PC and let's try again. Open Docker, and after that you will see container like this. Click start. It will start when you need this open chat local ChatGPT or what is DeepSeek. Just you have to start it here, and here you will see the address of your DeepSeek or Llama. So click on this, and before we see some error, but not now, we are see a interface like this. So I'm moving this address into my Chrome browser. So let's open it, same, and you have to click on get start, and here you have to set your name and email and a password, and click on create admin account. So it's created an admin account into your localhost 300. So it's not any online server, it's in your PC. So from here is ChatGPT. It is the interface of ChatGPT by Open-WEBui. So we done, and Open-WEBui is complete. Now we have to install DeepSeek model or Llama, whatever you want. So let's open into this one, into new tab, and here is Llama's website, and here you will see find a option that call is model. Click on this, and here you will see lot of different version of resource, and here is DeepSeek R1, Llama 3.3 psi, and it's 70 billion parameters. It's huge. And here you will see Llama 3.31 billion 3 billion. So we are not going to test all of this, we will show you just one, and other you can install as yourself. So I'm going to show DeepSeek R1. So click on this, and here you will see that is 1 billion parameters, 7 billion, 8 billion, 70 billion. Big number is big resource, and it will cost big GPU power and CPU power. So my GPU is not NVIDIA, and I'm not going to install this one. And from this drop down menu you will see the size of each parameter. So I'm going to try 8 billion. You can start from small to big, don't try big at first, it will make very slow response in your command. So I'm going to try 8 billion because 9 GB is a big size for me. So let's try 8 billion, and in future I will try 14 billion. Okay, I selected this one, and here you will see a command, and you need to copy but not whole, just copy this part, and from here you also find all the command. So it's easy, just copy this one, and from localhost 300, and here you have to search a model, paste here, and here you will see that pull DeepSeek R1.8b from Ollama. Click on here, and it will start downloading, and it take some time to download that file. So give me some time to complete the download. Guys, it's almost downloaded. You can see 99.7. So here is the model is downloading. So let's see what happened after completed. So it's completed. That's what. So it's verifying, and it's installed, and you can see that this one is the model. So from select model, just select this one, and here is your DeepSeek 8 billion parameter AI just in your computer. So now we are going to check this one, test this one, and I will test a controversial question with. So this is the question about China massacre. So let's see it's answered or not. So it's thinking, and from thinking you will see that it how thinking by this drop down. It took time. I'm sorry, I cannot answer that question, but let's try it in offline. So I'm going to, okay, now. So thinking is not our answer. Thinking is detail that how DeepSeek is thinking. Overall, DeepSeek is working. So it's answered my the Donald Trump is a figure American businessman media. His main profession is public persona, closely tied to several key real estate, television, media. So I hope you get a perfect solution, and you can see that it's working offline. So that's amazing. And if you able to run this 14 billion parameter, then it will give you more accuracy answer from your PC without any access of internet. And if you can run this one is incredible, I think. So it's 400 GB. So I hope 8B will be work for me. 7B also work, and 14B will be better. And if you increase, the size will be increased and the response will be slower. So that's it. I hope you get a perfect solution of how you can install ChatGPT DeepSeek like ChatGPT UI in user interface in your local Windows computer for free. So thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment in this video, and if you wanted to, if you have close friend, then share. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel, it's very helpful for me. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.